the same where you don't want to put it on the root first?
That's if you're doing a virgin application.
Okay. So,
But if it's just retouching somebody's roots, you do right on the roots.
okay. That was cover like all over.
For the first time.
The first time you want to start mid-shot to end, and then the last like 15 minutes put it on the roots, do you think? Because if you're using like 40 volume.
So if you're going from a 5 to a 7, that's 2 levels of lift. That's 30 volume.
What about an 8 though?
Then it would be 40 volume.
Okay.
When we go and do applications on our mannequins later on, I'm going to go through virgin application, retouch application, and virgin going darker.
Okay.
So I'll explain all that to you.
Awesome.
Yes. Did you have?
You answered my question
Okay.
already.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Most of what we do is generally retouches. When you move into a virgin application, it takes a long time.
I know I'm kind of nervous, but
It's super easy.
I think I'm scared of giving her hot root. So that's why I'm like want to like make sure.
Nope.
Because I've never really used more than 20 before. So I'm a little nervous, but I think it'll be fine.
Nope, it'll be fine.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Because the period of time is going to be longer. So
Yeah.
that mid shaft gets time and a half.
Yeah.
So it's on for a long time, so it allows it to lift because it's away from the scalp.
Yeah.
Are you using 40 or 30 volume?
I think I'm gonna use 30 or maybe 30.
The alternate method is that you can use 40 volume on the mid shaft and 30 on the roots.
Yeah. I know, she's like a level, like she's probably around my color and she wants to do like a orangey, like she actually wants to be like a orange pumpkin-y color.
Which makes it super easy.
Yeah.
So when
like,
you're lifting many levels and they want to be warm, you're like, yes.
yeah.
When you're lifting many levels and they want to be cool, it's like,
Yeah.
you know, because it's difficult. That orange is such a strong
But I don't want to
exposure.
use bleach and I don't think I'll have to if
No.
she wants to be that orange
Nope,
color.
you won't. Before
Yeah.
we leave today, I'll walk you through all the steps to make sure you're confident.
Okay, cool, thank you, I
Yeah.
appreciate that.
Absolutely. Okay. Fifth step, compensation for lack of pigment and gray hair. So, these are the series that can be used alone for gray hair. If I choose any color for gray hair that falls under this gray coverage bar, right here, all these colors, right? I don't think we have the 9E anymore, that's why it's not listed. If we pick any of these colors, I'm gonna get the tonality I want and gray coverage with one tube. That's what that's for. So we have extreme gray coverage, we have gray coverage with a little bit more yellow in it, we have a cool. We have one that is warm, we have a couple that are warm. So it gives you can really live over here when you're formulating on gray hair. You absolutely can combine to get more gold, more red, more ash, but this will accomplish a lot on gray hair. Next, see the series and bases that we have? I'm gonna leave this as part of your homework to fill out because it's a lot. We're gonna spend a lot of time if we do it. All of your answers are on your color chart right here. So if I look at 1 NP, levels 1 through 0, if I look on my wall chart, my base color is right here. Blue, red, yellow. If the next one is EXN, right here, my answer is blue, violet. So all your answers are gonna be right here. So for the G, it says 5, star 6, 5. Well, 5's the level, but that star is gonna tell me it's brown. Brown, violet, red, okay? So make a little note to remind yourself that anything with a star is brown. That might help when you're doing that. Yeah, so when you go to do these stars mean there's brown in the base. Yep, so maybe here you want to make yourself a little note that star means brown. See the star? 7.6, so that means brown.
Yeah.
So I know that it is a brown violet because of the number 6. Remember, all of your numbers are right here.
Yeah.
So you can either use up here to determine what those all are, or your numbering system down here.
So, what does it really mean? So, it means if these,
Level 6.
it would be a dot, and then we'd have a star over here.
Nope, there's no star in that one.
No, I know, but if these was to be the box would
Yes.
tell me, it would have a star right
Yes.
here before the 4.
Yes, let me get you one with a star.
Thank you.